Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Cosmic Connect. And today we are going to talk about something that is very special and is close to my heart. And hopefully, you might have seen this topic on a lot of videos, lot of channels. But I'm going to explain you all my version. Hopefully, it connects with you all and hopefully, it helps you all in manifestation of your wishes and of your desires. Today, we are going to see something that is going to change an approach towards your dreams, and that is vision board. But hold on, we are not going to just make a collage of pictures and leave it. We are going to dive deeper into this topic and we are going to see that how this science and how this magic works of vision boards and how it is really going to help you to manifest all the success, to manifest all the abundance in your life. So most of the people might be thinking a vision board is a collage of all the arts and the crafts and it is kind of a project. But basically, think of it like your dreams are the stars in the sky. Then your vision board is the constellation that connects those stars and is guiding you towards the roadmap or towards the path of success in your life. Okay, vision board is going to guide you towards your goals. It is not just about posting random pictures together, it is about finding that perfect image which is going to help you to emit that spark. Okay, whenever you see that image, you see yourself in that image, you really get connected to that image. So you have to really find such kind of images where you have to really go into that process of searching images where you really see yourself in that image. Okay, so that is very important. Whichever image helps you to emit that spark is the ideal image for you. Okay, so you have to find out pictures on Google or on Pinterest such that are going to help you to emit spark in your life, where when you see that picture you really feel that you can achieve this in reality and somewhere you see yourself there. Okay, so that is very important while selecting pictures for vision board. Otherwise, I have seen many vision boards where people just copy paste random pictures and really print those and put up a lot of pictures on the vision board, and it really seems confusing because when you are not giving a direction to your mind. Okay, when you are pasting those pictures on your vision board, it really seems cluttered and it is not focusing on the specific goal. Okay, so that is very important that you have to really understand that which image really connects you from the heart is the image you have to select, is the right image for the vision. Select such images that are aligned to your goals and they are giving a signal to your subconscious mind. So that is very important. Just like you are planting seeds in your brain, the more you look at these images, the more your brain is going to work towards these things to achieve. Okay, it is going to work more, where you are going to visualize more, where you are going to take actions more towards the goals. So that is very important to understand. Let's get into the magic part. Basically, this process of creating a vision board activates your reticular activating system. Now, reticular activating system is a part of your brain that filters things which are really important for you. Is like a mental GPS that helps you to spot opportunities you might have missed otherwise. Okay. And the best part is this process just only doesn't help you to focus, but it also motivates you. That is the best part of this. Imagine every time you are looking at the vision board, you are reigniting your sense of purpose. It is really going to help you to take action towards your goal. Okay, for example, when there is a planner given to one person and when the other person really does not have the planner, who do you think is more in a position to achieve the goal more faster? Of course, the person who has the planner is likely in a position to achieve that goal faster because he has a system, he has a process in front of him which is really going to push him to achieve that goal within that stipulated time. But the person who really don't have a planner in front of him it is going to really be difficult for him to achieve those goals within that stipulated time. As we have seen in our academics and in our school days as well, when we had the timetable, we had the structured system where we used to study different subjects on a particular day, right? And when teachers were absent, or when there was some function in school, many teachers were absent, and we had those games slot or games period over long duration hours, and we were really not focused on the timetable, and we used to do things on our own way, just like a holiday, right? So the more things are in front of our eyes, and that too visual, we are in a position to really achieve those goals faster. And that is the beautiful thing about vision. To truly bring the vision board into life, it is really important that if you are watching those pictures every day, if you are taking a glance, taking a look at the vision board, if you are spending time with your vision board where you are looking at the pictures, closing your eyes, visualizing, saying affirmations, it is very important to understand that seeing is not going to help, but taking action towards the goal is going to create those tangible results which are required in our life. Okay, so that is very important. The vision board is not only a magical shortcut, but basically it is working as a manifestation tool. It is working as a reminder where somewhere or at some point we really get busy with our day-to-day schedules, and we really forget what we really want to achieve in our life. That's why in some of the initial videos I've even said that it is very important to write your goals every day, the time when you wake up in the morning, okay? So that it really gives you a reminder, it really gives your mind a trigger. These are the things I really want to achieve in my life. When you start your day with meditation, gratitude, and writing goals, seeing vision board and visualizing, seeing affirmations, and that too with high energy and high intensity, it is really going to trigger your subconscious mind. It is really going to help you to really just not follow all these procedures or follow all these manifestation practices, but it is also going to help you to take action towards this. So how do you use your vision board? So basically, I recommend that before starting the process of vision board, to get clear on what things you really want to achieve in your life, just take out your journal and a pen and be clear of the things you really want to manifest in your life. Choose images that really give you a feeling of excitement, happiness, and really emit that spark. That is very important. Okay, and then you can a collage out of it on Canva as well, where you can use a soft vision board as well. You can make a collage and keep it as a screensaver on your mobile. Okay, मैंने personally ये चीज की है कि I have done this process of making a wallpaper for my phone, so that whenever I use my phone, whenever I check my phone, I see that wallpaper and I see those images. I see those places where I really want to go. I see those goals which I really want to achieve, and this has given me the maximum results. मैं एक positive result यहाँ पर share करना चाहती हूँ, a result which I have manifested few years before. मैं बहुत सारे pictures लिए थे which really give me happiness, and I kept one iPhone का picture also, and that I got iPhone. Okay, I manifested iPhone in my life. So this is the power of vision board. If you really believe, you take action towards it, or otherwise maybe consciously or unconsciously also, people might gift you that thing, that object, that which you really want to manifest in you. The key is to believe what you see, be consistent, and take inspired action, because your vision board is not a dream catcher, but it is a dream maker. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is the actions you take today. Now, many people ask me a question that मतलब लोगों को अगर विजन बोर्ड नहीं दिखाना है तो कहाँ पे रख सकते हैं? See, the more times you see the vision board and visualize and think that your dreams are turning into reality, where you really visualize and do skin to skin visualization. I always tell my clients, my students, wherein deep down the skin you feel that things are coming true for you, where you really go into that process and imagine if you have manifested huge amounts of money, what are you going to do? Are you going to dance? Are you going to jump? Are you going to call your mom? Are you going to call your husband? And what is that whole scenario, that whole movie playing behind your head that you are going to really visualize deep down here? Where what are the energies you are feeling on your skin when you are visualizing this movie? So that is very important, where you really go deep down into that process, where you feel that the things are real here in your visualization. That is really going to help you to manifest faster. And you can really place your vision board beside your bed, near your window, or in your wardrobe. Okay, so that is the safest place where you really don't want to disclose your vision board and you want to keep it private. So whenever you are changing and whenever you're opening the wardrobe, you can see there. Or you, if you don't have any place to stick, also you can stick it on your door as well. Depends on person to person, comfort लगे आप कर सकते हैं. Try to make vision board books wherein they stick those pictures in the books in their journal, and they carry that journal everywhere they go. If anybody is always traveling, they can make a vision board book where they can travel with their book and start their day by looking at their vision board, visualizing, feeling, and taking action towards it. Because as I said, only seeing is not going to help, but taking actions is also going to manifest your desires and is also going to help you to get those opportunities in your life. Okay, so that is very important. When you are writing down your goals in the journal, that is the first step which I have told, wherein you have to really understand the what clear picture you want in life. Okay, what are the specific goals that you really want to achieve in your life? You can even write down affirmations which really help you to stay motivated, which really help you to stay positive. Some of the affirmations are like that, which really helps you to recharge your mood, recharge your mind, and really feel happy about yourself. So make a list of affirmations. Even nowadays, people are also writing symbols on the vision board, where you can even write down any Zebu symbols or any sigil specifically to the symbols you are connected or you feel that these symbols really give me results. You can also paste them on your vision board or draw them on your vision board. So the more creativity is there in your vision board, the more you will look at it, the more you will feel happy about it. Okay, so it is really very important to create interesting vision board, जहाँ पे ये एक टास्क है, ऐसा प्लीज आप मत कीजिए, लेकिन आप एक स्पेसिफिक दिन निकाले जहाँ पे आप बैठ के आराम से इत्मीनान से सोचिए और ये विजन बोर्ड बनाए, जहाँ पे जल्दी जल्दी करना है, ये टास्क खत्म करना है, ऐसा ना करे. 1 या 2 दिन भी लीजिए, लेकिन ये टाइम आप really सोचिए कि what are the affirmations which I really get connected, what are the pictures which really bring happiness, or what are the symbols which I can really use. Okay, so that is really going to help you to make one of the best and the interesting and the creative vision board. And don't make it a lot of clutter कि ये भी image पसंद आई, ये भी image पसंद आई, ये भी image पसंद आई. It is really very important to make important decision here, where you really analyze yourself and really take few but really impactful images, which is going to bring that spark in your vision board, which is really going to boost you, which is really going to give those positive vibration to you early in the morning, as well as when you are sleeping in the night. So it is very important that in the morning, as soon as you wake up, you see your vision board, visualize and feel all those vibrations in the body, as well as while you are sleeping also, if you get time and if you look at the vision board and really visualize and sleep, that is the best time when you can manifest, because that time our subconscious mind is active, and that time if you give these signals to your brain, it is really going to bring wonderful results in your life. But you have to take action towards it. Okay, so if you like this video, then do hit the like button and do hit the subscribe button, because it is really going to help me to bring more and more good videos and good content for you all, and it is really going to help you and me to manifest a lot of big and positive things in present as well as in future. Okay, so do share this video with your loved ones, with your family members, or with your friends. It is the end of the year, that is December 24, and wherein you can really plan out this vision board time with your friends, with your family, with your relatives, with your closed ones, where doing this process in group is also going to help if you have a healthy environment. Okay, and it is really going to boost creativity. But even if you are creating a vision board with your group or with your friends and family, it is very important to not forget the images which are going to generate that spark in you and which are going to align your actions towards your goal. Okay, so let's make those dreams into reality, and one image at a time. Thank you so much, everyone, and gratitude always.